Vive le français! Bonjour chers amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. Today I want to tell you about la fonction publique, which is the administration in France, the civil servant in France. I tell you, there are so many French people who work as civil servants. You have 6 million to 7 million French people who work. So it's for 4 people who work, you have 1/4 of the workers, 1/4 of people who work as a civil servant for the government. They work for the government or for the city hall or for a département or public hospital. They do many things. This is what we call le service public, public services. You know, French government had a vision that the government was like la mère, the mother who has to take care of the children. The children, it's us, the citizen. The mother needs to educate you. The mother needs to raise you. The mother needs to feed you. And the mother needs to offer you something, some kind of life, a decent life, you know. However, now things are changing. We are following liberalism, a liberal path, and we are following l'économie de marché, the market economy and globalization. And the president that we have, left or right parties, they always do the same. They just they say the government is always smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. It has less and less power. The private company decide everything, the government decide less and less. So what's happened is the government will say, we don't have money, we are bankrupt, and then they start selling. So they keep les fonctions régaliennes, they still keep the justice, you know, the justice is the civil servant, the judge, the justice court. They keep the police, they're still doing it. They still keep the education, you know, still the government, still the civil servant. But you know, this is starting to lose. For instance, the train was a public company that belonged to the government. Now it's private. The plane company was public company, now it's private. Most of the big companies were public, now they are private. The electricity companies, they start to become private. The phone companies, they are private. The internet companies, they are private. The highway, all the roads belong to the government. They were sold out, and now the highways, they are private companies. You have to pay, some private company make money. The lotto, you know, the lotto, you bet the money, you play the lotto. It used to belong to the government. Now they want to sell it to some private investors. Most of these private investors are just wealthy people. Quite often they are foreigners who come here. They come to France to invest their money. So they buy back the forest, many lands, most of the territory used to belong to the French government. Now is being sold, it becomes private. They sell it to private owner. So that's what happened. The government has less and less power. And for the education and many things, what they will do is, instead of recruiting the civil servant and the people who work all their life as a teacher, they will recruit private people. They will recruit people for 1-year contract, and then you have the level of the education in France is going down. Because you used to have the civil servant who they had to pass some exam. The exam was not easy. There was many control. The quality was very high. You also had to provide the quality of the education for everyone. And now some place you don't have teachers, some place you don't have train, some place they close the train station because it's a private company. The private company is here to make money. I'm not making good business in this place, I'm shutting it. I'm not working for the people, I'm working for myself. I'm working to make money, that's what I'm doing. I'm working to make money, I'm not working for the people. So this is a big debate, and our current president, Macron, so he's saying the French government should be like a company. France should be like a company, so it tells you everything. France should be like a company. We are here to make money. We are not here for the people. That's what it means. We are here for the investors. We are here for the bank. We are here to make money. We are here to make profit. And that's the US, the model from the USA. I believe it's a huge mistake because in the end, what happens is you have the destruction of the environment, destruction of everything, destruction of the quality. You have GMO, you have pesticide, you have roads, you have buildings, you have polluted water, you have forests that are cut down. That's what happens in the end. You have beautiful monuments and beautiful houses, like where I'm staying, that are destroyed, you know, the whole village that are destroyed because people are just there to make money. So when you make money, there is nothing, there's just money. And then for the French citizens, it's also a big issue. Some place you don't have a good school, some place you don't have school at all. Sometimes some place the roads are destroyed because they don't have money, and they are not going to take care of it. That's what happened. Also what happens is there is a situation that's a little bit weird in many places now. On one side you have the civil servants, and the civil servants, they start to retire, and then the government will cut down the job. So they are not going to renew the job. So they were one civil servant, he retires, they don't renew, they don't recruit anyone. Or what they will do is they recruit someone, but they recruit someone under contract for 1 year. So you have some people working, doing the same job. For instance, they're working at the city hall. They're working for the city hall. One guy is a civil servant. He gets paid 3,000 euro. Next to him, there is someone else who is working as a contract. With a contract, he gets paid only 1,500 euro. Next to him, there is one that is also contract, but he has a better contract. He has a CDI or a better contract, so he gets paid 2,000 euro. So you have three people who do the same job, and they have different position, different salary. And that's what's happening in the schools. So you have the school, you have the teacher who is working there, and he's a civil servant. He's making this much, and then there is another one who's making this much, and another one who's making this much. Voilà. Bon, je vous laisse. À bientôt les amis. Au revoir. À bientôt.